Hi, you have all come. Today I am making a robotic broom and we need a basic structure, and if you don't know how to make a basic structure, I have given the video link in the description. And the extra parts that we need are metal plate, motor, long L, connecting cables, remote and the screw box. We need a metal plate, a long screw, the tightener and the spanner. Put all the long screws at the end like this and put it like this and put it like this and put it like this. Put all four and do it upside down and tighten it with the tightener like I am tightening. And do it with all the four. Take one more tightener and put it in the center of this like this. Put it in the center and do it with all the four. Friends, it will look like a table, and put it in the basic structure like this, and tighten it from the bottom side like this. It is so take the tightener and do it like this and do it the same on all the four sides. Friends, we need a motor, and now we will attach after the two holes gap from here, and here two holes will come, and here we have to attach the bolt and screws. You can also attach with the help of the screwdriver. See, it is attached, and attach one more time. The both screws are attached. Now comes the second part, and we need a tree connector. Put the screw here and attach it at the long end and tighten with the tightener like this, and do it with the next one. Friends, take a filler and put it in the motor like this, and where we have connected the three hole, put it like this in the motor, and you can check if it is moving or not. Mine is moving, so it is fine. And now we will take a shaft stopper and tighten it with the spanner or the L key. Friends, it is tightened, and now I have made some strips out of paper, and I will attach it here with the help of the tape. Friends, our main structure is ready, and now we will attach the cables. Take it out from here like this. If you face difficulty to do like that, take it out from here and put it in the M3. And now we will attach the remote cable. Give me a minute to on the brain. Like that.